In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Taobao in English. If you're new to Taobao or you're seeing everything in Chinese, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, your app interface will be switched to English or the international version so it's easier to browse and shop. Start by opening the Taobao app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your profile and settings. If you've just installed the app or haven't used it in a while, take a moment to confirm you can see your account homepage before moving on. Next, head to My Taobao. This is the icon in the bottom right corner of the app's main screen. It's your personal hub where your orders, favorites, and account details live. If your app is currently in Chinese, this area may be labeled Wode Taobao. Tap it to open your profile page. From your profile, look for the settings area. On most versions of the app, you'll find a three-dot menu or a small gear icon in the top right corner. Tap that to open settings. If your app is in Chinese, the settings area may be labeled Shi Ji. Don't worry if the icon styles look slightly different on iOS and Android. The location is usually the same. Inside settings, choose General Settings. In Chinese, that's Tongyang. This is where Taobao keeps language and other app-wide preferences. It's a good place to remember for future tweaks like notifications or region options. Now tap Language, which appears as Yuyan in Chinese. This screen controls the app's display language. Depending on your app version and region, you might see English labeled Yingwen or an option called International Version or Global Version, shown as Guoji Ban. Either option will make navigation, buttons, and most system messages easier to understand. Select the one that's available to you. After you select your preferred option, fully close the Taobao app and reopen it so the change takes effect. On most phones, that means swiping the app away from the recent apps screen before launching it again. When it reopens, you should see the interface updated in English or the international layout. A couple of helpful tips as you use the app in English: some product titles, reviews, or shop notes may still appear in Chinese because they're written by sellers. That's normal. You can often use built-in translation prompts from your device's tools if you need them. If you don't see the language options we covered, make sure your app is updated to the latest version and check your device's region settings. That's it. Your Taobao experience should now be far easier to navigate in English.